Hello and welcome to this EVE Online Killboard installation guide. This is part 2 in a series, and in this part we show you how to run the Killboard installation procedure. We assume that you have viewed part 1 already and have checked that these basic requirements are present, the PHP configuration, and of course that you have uploaded the Killboard files to your web server. If not, then I advise that you view part 1 in the series first. Now to the installation. Open your web browser, navigate to the directory in your website where the files are installed, adding /install, and step 1 begins. Now we're doing a test here, everything's okay, we're moving on to step 2, PHP is okay, GD is available, there's a problem with config, this setting's okay. Now it's asking us to change the config file, so let's rename this file and set the permissions in FileZilla. Okay, now back to the web server and do a reload, and it's found the file and it's writable. On to the next step. Okay, the host file, you use all these details you set up in your control panel with your web host. Let's do a test. It successfully found the database. The next step is starting to do the data import. Let's create the tables. Now there's a problem here, you can see a few of them have failed, but actually what it means is they haven't been imported yet, so let's do that. We start importing the data. With Firefox it blocks an upload, a refresh of the page, so it asks us to allow this every time. There's something like 45 files, so I'll just whip through those, and everything is passed. Now we can set up our corporation alliance, and it's going to find an existing corporation if it exists, your corporation if it exists. I've spelled that along, let me just modify this. Okay, and we'll do a search, and it's found it, so I'll create that. On to the next step. Okay, this is the admin password, set this up for whatever you wish. Title, as it's explained there, so let's put in the name of our corporation. And the site, in case you had multiple sites you could differentiate, so we'll put this in here and on to the next step. Now this shows you the configuration file and it's now protected. Installation complete. Take advice there and delete that install directory. So we have a Killboard, and let's log in using the password you set. Current version 3.15, that's good. And let's do a little basic change to the appearance to suit our website, so let's make a little bit change there, save that. Wow, yeah, there you go. Log out and let's have a look. Now let's go and get rid of that install directory within the Killboard directory and just delete that. Okay, and that's gone, so that's protected. Now nobody can mess about with it now. Now let's go back to our web browser and have a look and see how it fits, and there we are. Now that's the end of part 2. In the next part we'll deal more with the actual configuration of the Killboard, how to use the API and cron jobs, and to automate the import of kill data. I hope you've enjoyed this little video, and I look forward to presenting you with part 3. Thank you.